My dear first BCom student, this is G. Mirza Atif. The next external source of modern recruitment. First one, walk-in. Walk-in means the busy organization and the rapid changing companies do not find time to perform various functions of recruitment here due to busy schedule. Therefore, they advise the potential candidate to attend for an interview directly and without a prior application here on a specified date or time or specified place, etc. So, suitable candidate would be selected after screening the candidates through test and interviews. So, there is the walk-in interview. Second one, consult in. The busy and dynamic companies encourage the potential job seekers to approach them personally and consult them regarding the jobs. The company select the suitable candidate from among such candidate through the selection process here. So with the help of selection process, they are selecting the suitable candidate. That is consulting. Second one, head hunting. The companies request the professional organization here to search for the best candidate. The company itself requests the professional organization to search for the best candidate, particularly on the senior most position. The professional organization search for the most suitable candidate and advise the company regarding filling up the positions. Fourth, body shopping. So professional organization and the high-tech training institute develop the pool of human resources for the possible employment here. The prospective employment employers contact the organization to recruit the candidate. Otherwise, the organization themselves approach the prospective employee to place their human resources here. Fifth, merger and acquisition. Business alliances like acquisition, merger, takeover help in getting human resources here. With the help of acquisition, with the help of merging or takeover, there is another way of recruiting the employee. In addition, the company do also have alliances in sharing their human resources on ad hoc basis here with the help of sharing or on ad hoc basis. Outsourcing, sixth one. Some organization recently started developing human resource pool by employing the candidate for them. The organization do not utilize the human resource, instead of the supply human resource to various companies here. Their need on temporary ad hoc basis. The arrangement is known as outsourcing here. Customers, seventh one. Loyal customers are pleased with the organization product or services to some extent. They have made a commitment to the organization and might be familiar with the culture, responsibilities of some of the jobs and working condition. In other words, they have a realistic job purview. Eighth one, suppliers and competitors here. The employees of suppliers and competitors are often good here. The sources of applicants, they are familiar with the industry and frequently familiar with the organization itself. Next, ninth one, professional and trade association. With the help of professional or trade association, virtual professional and the trade association provide placement services for their members and allow employer to post job openings on their website, typically for a fee. In addition, these associations normally publish newsletters or journals in which the organization can place recruiting advertisement here. Most associations also have annual meeting or convention that provide additional opportunities for the organization to recruit in person. 10th one, job fairs held by other organizations, for example, the local chamber of commerce, and tend to attract a wide variety of applicants here and might provide the organization with numerous recruiting leads and applicants here. So there is the another 10th one, another method for recruitment is concerned, etc. Sources here, job fairs and special events here. So with the help of here the internet here, The internet has opened up all sorts of possibilities and associates challenges in recruiting it. Provides access to worldwide population potential applicants here. There are essentially three major sources are there here of applicants using e-recruiting: commercial job boards, professional or trade association websites, and the employer's website. Many organizations have successfully used commercial job boards such as master.com, timejob.com, Naukri, and hotjob.com, where for a fee employers can post job opportunities here. So that is the another important popular method with the help of internet here. And then lastly, 12th one, so outplacement firms. So many organizations have formed alliances with outplacement firms here. These firms provide placement assistance to individuals, many of whom have been involuntarily separated from their former employer through no fault of their own. These individuals are often excellent candidates. So these are the important external sources of modern recruitment. Thank you.